I want to invite our sister, Alhaja Saadat Bibire, to talk on this. Your hands together for her, please. 15 minutes, ma.
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. As earlier said, my name is Saadat Bibire. This morning is a very emotional morning for me. Looking at what happened last night in various parts of the country in Nigeria. When we talk about voice of the youth, we always get this saying from our so-called leaders, and they say the youth are the future of tomorrow. So catch this cruise. How is it that you say the youth are the future of tomorrow, and then you want to kill every single one of us today just by asking for our right, just by asking for the right to live? Note that we are not asking you for good roads. We are not asking you for electricity. We are not asking you for good governance. As at the time, all we asked for was the right to live. We just want to live. Now, we are not saying that these things I mentioned don't matter, but just like what has been going on social media, now they are alive, they enjoy good road. Now they are alive, they enjoy electricity. So if you kill every single one of us today, how on earth are we going to be the leaders you claim we are going to be tomorrow? Note that our tax is what is keeping you in office. So when we say we don't want something, we understand that, we expect that you should understand that for us to say we don't want something, there must be a reason behind it. Nigerian youths are the most understanding youths anywhere in the world. We adapt to every situation without complaining. We adapt to every bad circumstances without complaining. We only grumble. So when we speak out, when we hit the street and we say, okay, look, we are tired of the police brutality that is happening to us. We are tired of our brothers and sisters being killed. We are tired of keeping quiet. We have found our voice. We understand that there's strength, there's power in our unity. We understand that our voices matter. And we have found the power in the voice. And now you are threatened and you are killing us. How are we supposed to lead tomorrow when every single one of us is being killed on the street by your sponsored thugs? How are we supposed to be the leader of tomorrow if every single one of us gets killed today just because we are asking for the right to live? We keep saying the voice of the youth matter, God listens to the youth. We have found our voices, and we are using our voices the right way, binding us by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that we have the right to protest peacefully. And we hit the streets to do this peacefully. Understand that when you are having your rallies, when you are having your political rallies, you block the roads. When you are having your birthday parties, you block the roads. When you are having your wedding ceremonies, you block the roads. So us blocking the roads to demand for our own right to live is a problem. Please, how are they connected? But it's not a problem when you block your road for your birthday. It's not a problem when you block the road for your children's wedding. It's not a problem when you block the road for political rallies. But it is a problem when we block the road because we just want to live. Because we are asking to live. How is that too much to ask? We have found our voices, like I earlier said. and we are legitimately using our voices the right way through every means we know how to. Be it social media, be it hitting the road for protest, be it protesting online. We have found our voices, and our voices are counting, whether they like to admit it or not. You are here now. 10, 20 years, you will not be here. The youth you are killing are the ones that are going to be there. Believe it or not, your words, your kids might not be as powerful as you will be today, and they will be in the positions that the people you are oppressing are today. Karma is a friend, is a best friend to everybody. You can never run away from it. No matter what, it keeps coming back. You keep saying we are lazy Nigerian youths, we don't have voices, we are not united. Now we are united and you are trying to oppress the voice. The sole voices you claim that we don't have. The same voices that you claim we don't have are the voices that are threatening you to kill us. How are they connected? How is this even human? According to reports on social media, last night at the Lekki Toll Gate massacre, it was reported that 79 people have lost their lives fighting for their country. Over 100 have been injured and taking treatment. And we have number 1 citizen, number 2 citizen, we have 3 and 4, and none of them have come out this morning to address us. Your youths are dying. Your youths are threatened. Your youths are injured. And guess what? They are nowhere to be found. And then you still expect us to sit in our homes, to sit in our houses and be quiet like our parents did. Newsflash, we will not be quiet because we are not our parents' generation. We are not the off your mic generation. We are the Sorosoke generation, and we are going to speak out in every single means, every single way we can. We don't disguise, we are not our parents. I want to man disguise. We are bold, we are confident. And our confidence is what has led us here. Until the very last moment, we will not stop using our voices, the very means we know how to use it. Because we have a constitution in Nigeria, and that constitution states that we have the right to protest. Under no circumstances should you hinder on my rights because you are threatened. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're here today and you have not in any way used your voice as a youth or as a father that has a son or a daughter to speak up against the injustice that is happening in the country, as at this morning, you are part of our problems. You are part of our problems. If you have not used your voice or used your platforms to tell people that this is happening, all we asked for is to end police brutality. All we asked for is to live. All we asked for is just to stay alive. It is not too much to ask for a citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that has a constitution that binds it. So as you leave this place, or even as you're here, use your voice, use your platforms, say something, because it will be recorded that your voice counted. It will be recorded that you were silent. It will be recorded that you spoke up if you did. And if you were silent, don't be shocked that those people those people don't care. Not only you say those people, bullet does not know whoever is quiet or whoever is speaking up. There was a lady on Twitter this morning, she was sleeping in her house and a stray bullet entered her house. She picked up the bullet and snapped it on her bed. She was quiet all along, but the moment she saw that bullet, did she not speak up? Did the bullet knew that she was quiet? No. So if you like, if you use your platform, if you don't use your platform, any token, no more. Thank you so much.